In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PayID on the Bendigo Bank. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To manage your PayIDs and make transfers instantly using their service, all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Bendigo Bank mobile app. You can find it on the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have the app downloaded running the latest version available, sign into your Bendigo Bank mobile banking account and tap the More option that you can find at the bottom right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping More, go into the Settings, and the first option under the settings should be Manage Your Pay IDs. If you don't see it at the top, just look for Manage Your Pay IDs inside of the settings, and you will be redirected to a page where you can see all the Pay IDs accounts attributed to Bendigo Bank under your name. All that you have to do to start using PayID on the Bendigo Bank is to tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to register it to a new account. So browse between all of your accounts and select one that you would like to attribute PayID to. Once you select any account, you will have to add a new mobile number or email to serve as the contact information for PayID. Once you select the account, add the email or phone number, proceed, and you will have to confirm it using your Bendigo Bank security token. As soon as you enter the token and tap Next, confirm with the verification code on the phone number or email, and you will get a warning on screen telling you that the process is successful and that the new PayID has been registered. You can double check the account that it has been linked to, and you can see the BSB or account number below. You can then go back to the PayID window or create new ones as many times as you wish. People can now use the PayID that you've just registered to make instant transfers on the Bendigo Bank. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PayID on the Bendigo Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.